Starting a financial journey can feel easier when the platform gives you structure, access, and clear direction from the beginning. That is where WiseStepHoldings.com comes in. In this video, we are looking at WiseStepHoldings.com, a finance-focused platform built for users who want practical tools, global access, flexible payment methods, and dedicated support. Many people search for WiseStepHoldings.com reviews because they want to understand what the platform offers, how it presents its services, and what makes it useful for beginners and growing users. One of the key strengths of WiseStepHoldings.com is its international reach. The platform highlights 200-plus countries covered, 20-plus flexible payment methods, 15-plus years of experience, and 1M+ global success milestones. These numbers help show the scale behind the brand. WiseStepHoldings.com is built around access, convenience, and a broader view of financial opportunities. For users who want a platform with global coverage and practical payment flexibility, this is one of the main points that stands out. WiseStepHoldings.com focuses on helping users move from intention to action. The platform is built around innovative tools, practical solutions, and a more structured way to approach financial decisions. Instead of making finance feel scattered, WiseStepHoldings.com gives users a clearer environment to explore opportunities, review available resources, and develop a more forward-looking approach. This is why many WiseStepHoldings.com reviews connect the brand with structure, guidance, and practical financial progress. Support is another important part of the WiseStepHoldings.com experience. The platform gives users a simple way to connect through support at WiseStepHoldings.com and offers key sections such as About, Journey, Support, FAQ, Privacy Policy, and Terms and Conditions. This creates a more complete platform experience because users can explore information, ask questions, and review important details in one place. WiseStepHoldings.com is designed for users who want global finance access, flexible payment methods, practical tools, and dedicated support. For anyone researching WiseStepHoldings.com reviews, the main strengths are clear: international reach, structured financial guidance, accessible support, and a platform built around steady progress. WiseStepHoldings.com helps users take clearer steps toward a more confident financial journey.